Late August might feel like the garden season is winding down, but this is actually one of the best times to boost your harvest, prep for fall, and even stretch your garden into the cooler months. Stick around because I've got some quick, practical garden hacks you can start using today. If you love simple tips that make gardening easier and more productive, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss more easy gardening hacks every week. Now let's get into those late August garden tips. August heat can still stress plants, but watering every day can actually harm roots. A great hack is to mulch with grass clippings, straw, or shredded leaves. This locks in moisture and keeps weeds down. If you're busy, try burying a plastic jug with holes near the base of the thirsty plants. Fill it every few days, and the water seeps right to the roots. Second, plants produce more when you harvest regularly. In late August, don't leave oversized zucchini or tomatoes sitting around. Picking them encourages the plant to keep producing. Here's the trick. Even if you don't want more zucchini, harvest anyway and share the extras with friends, even if you've already given them a ton. Your plants will reward you with extended production. Number 3, as the nights get cooler, your soil becomes nature's fridge. Carrots, beets, parsnips actually get sweeter if left in the ground in the fall. Instead of pulling them all now, leave them right where they are and harvest as needed. It's one of the simplest hacks to free up fridge space and enjoy tastier roots later. Think the season is over? Not yet. Late August is perfect for sowing fast-growing greens like spinach, radishes, and lettuce. They thrive in cooler temps and give you fresh harvests well into the fall. Here's a pro tip. Plant them where your summer crops just finished to make the most of your space. Number 5, if you've got lots of green tomatoes or peppers, here's a hack. Prune back extra leaves so the sun can reach the fruit directly. Plants will direct more energy into ripening instead of more to the foliage. This little trick can help you get those last red tomatoes before your frost arrives. Number 6, late August is a great time to save seeds. Let 1 or 2 cucumbers, peppers, or sunflowers fully mature, then harvest seeds for the next year. It's free, fun, and gives you a head start for spring. Also saves you a little bit of money. Just make sure you dry them well before storing. Number 7, depending on where you live, early frosts can sneak up in late August or September. Keep a few old sheets, buckets, or row covers handy. Cover your plants on chilly nights, and you could extend your harvest by weeks. Number 8, the end of the summer means lots of garden waste. Pulling old plants, corn stalks, and vines. Instead of tossing them, add them to your compost pile. Layer them with grass clippings or shredded leaves, and by spring you'll have black gold for next year's garden. So don't let late August fool you. There's still so much you can do in the garden. From sneaking in a fall crop to using your soil as a fridge, these little hacks can make a big difference. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and I'd love to hear your ideas and what success you have had in the past. And if you want to keep growing with us, join our gardening community by hitting subscribe. You'll get fresh tips, tricks, and inspiration all season long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.